DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo Kit. So the combo kit comes with the camera, the wireless microphone transmitter, the wide angle lens, the do-it-all handle, and the tripod, mini tripod. So let's see. Nice sturdy box. And it's a little bit difficult to get out of there. Oh wow. So here we have like some paperwork. Quick start guide. And here we have has to do it all handle. Oh, okay. The wireless microphone transmitter. What is this? Oh, I guess it's the extension for the tripod. In here we have, let's see, what's this? Oh, it's for the microphone. It's a dead. And then here we have the wide angle lens. Wow, so small. And then we have the little controller, and then there's a USB-C adapter, and wrist strap, and this is a dual charging cable, so I guess you could charge two things at once. And here we have the adapter for the lightning connector. So let's see the camera. So it comes in a case, so for safekeeping, and it just a little bit difficult to get out of there, but yeah, there we have it.
From here.
There's also storage. You could store your you could store these stuff in there. The wide angle lens you could store in there. And now take this stuff off. Slide this out. These you just slide in and out. And to turn it on, there's a button on the side here, you just press and hold. There you go. And then we just go through the setup process. So hit English. Device is not activated. Connect to DJI Mimo app. So you need to download the Mimo app on your phone. And if you have the iPhone, like I do, we'll use this connector here. So I'm going to do that, and so that's it. Unboxing the DJI Pocket 2 combo creator combo kit. So this we have with the wide angle lens, and that's without. This way, that's without, and that's with. Okay, so now we're gonna do a song test. So this is without the microphone, and it's very windy, so here's what it sounds like. And now this is with the microphone. So this is the microphone on. And this is with the microphone off.